Welcome to Horton. This is the Beckenham and West Wickham Model Railway Club's modern image 00 layout. It's 32 foot by 10 foot and is a great operating layout. The layout's started construction about 5 years ago. We've built it in stages from a smaller layout up into a larger one, and we're nearing completion of the final stage of rebuilding into an oval, and once that's finished we'll have a fully scenic to complete layout. The layout's designed to be really interesting to watch and to operate. A lot of layouts are one or the other. This is designed to be both. It's got lots of bi-directional running, full colour light signalling, computer controlled signalling and interlocking, and it's designed to run lots and lots of trains quickly over varied routes to provide interest to the viewing public and also to keep the signaller on his toes on the computer screen. It's got all-round viewing with scenery on all four sides. We've got a busy station and yard area down the front of the layout. We've got countryside down the back and the side, and it's just really interesting to watch the trains go through the varied landscapes. The layout's not based in any particular location. It's drawing elements from all over the country. We've got bits of East Croydon and bits of Manchester Piccadilly in the station design. We've got a signal box that's modelled on that at Ditton in Liverpool. And we've got a wide variety of rolling stock that would run anywhere in the country on a busy main line without electrification. The signalling is independent of the traction control. The signalling is based on Roger Murray colour light signals, which is full 4-aspect signalling around the layout, complete with route indicators where required. And the control of that is through the Model Electronic Railway Group's RPC, the Remote Panel Control System, and that's interfaced to Model Railway Computer Control Centre software running on the PC. The operator sets routes with a mouse on the screen, and you can see the trains just like a real signaller would in a busy signal box. And the trains progress through, and the software will change the colour or the aspect of the signals correctly with the train, and the hardware is transmitting that information down the data link to the relay room and onto the modules which control the points and signals. They're all interlocked together, so hopefully we can't have too many collisions. And to help with that, the trains are prevented from passing most colour-controlled signals to avoid collisions in that way. We're very fortunate in having a team of experienced railway professionals working on this layout. I'm a senior signalling engineer designing railway control centres. We have 2 Network Rail qualified professional signallers, and we have 2 railway signalling engineers who are S&T maintenance who maintain the signalling infrastructure for Network Rail. And we've also got various other members of the industry press to assist in our model making. So we've got a wide range of skills, and it's useful to see that we're busy enjoying ourselves on the model as well as the real thing.